Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showcasing my 56-inch Minka Aire San Francisco ceiling fan. So y'all know this fan, and I just decided to put it back up after I was inspired after seeing some at the Purdue airport during my recent trip to Indiana. Anyways, for summary, basically I got this fan off Facebook Marketplace in December of 2023 for 40 bucks. This fan used to come with a lot of problems, starting off the fact that it didn't come with a remote or a receiver because the previous owner said it was just hot wired to a single switch. So I had to get this Minka Aire air control remote with its respective receiver, and also it came out of a living room, so it had this like really long down bridge. So luckily I was able to find a shorter one off eBay. Along with that, it used to make a really loud grinding noise because there wasn't enough space between the bottom piece and the motor, causing the metal to grind against itself. So what I had to do is take down the whole fan assembly and put a new bolt and screw on. And yeah, despite this, it's one of my favorite fans. It works beautifully now, and yeah, without further ado, let's start up on low speed. Alright, so low speed actually didn't work when I got this fan. So what I had to do after putting a new remote and receiver and whatnot is go over to where the motor was warped on the left side of the fan and apply pressure to it. And I don't know how, but somehow it worked, and now it works on low speed. This fan is from March 2005. Comes with a brushed nickel finish, bird's eye maple blades. I would have really liked it to have a light, but it's fine that it doesn't. It's still really cool. Alright, here's medium speed. This fan's also an award winner. It won the 1998 Chicago Athenian Architecture Award due to its down bridge. I didn't know this fan came out in 1998. I mean, I've heard that it was like introduced in like 2005. So I don't know. Of course it has a little bit of a wobble, but it's not too great of an issue, contrary to the problems I had before with it. Okay, here's high speed. High speed's really good for this fan. It blows a ton of air, and I mean a ton. Really, really good. Performs kind of like an industrial, if you were to ask. It's really powerful for 172, and I have to assume due to how lightweight it is, and very well engineered. Here's the airflow. As you can see, it blows tons of air. And it's also pretty quick. I'd like to say it, it's going around 180 or 190. It's quick. Although I will say that installation for this fan is kind of a pain. You have to have like a 3-inch socket and whatever, and you have to, there's like a screw where the mounting bracket is extremely weird in basically, and you have to get that canopy aligned, otherwise it won't work. It really is a pain, more so putting the new down bridge. So but yeah, it's a really cool fan. Here's spin down. Spin down's really quick on this fan. I'm not sure why. It's AC powered. It's not like it's DC, but yeah, spin down's weirdly quick. But anyways, that's gonna be it for the Minka Aire San Francisco, and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's been a really long ride with y'all. Let me show you a little bit of a sneak peek I have for the fan I'm going to restore soon. So here they are. I think some of you know what it is, but let me know. And that'll be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.